Oil press machine can process rapeseed oil, peanut oil, sesame oil, flaxseed oil, cottonseed, sunflower oil, walnut oil, etc. After the oil enters the oil press through the hopper, it gradually enters the press chamber by the press screw. The pressing spiral rotation, using the change of the pitch rotation of the pressing screw, makes the embryo continuously pushed in and pressed. Under the conditions of high pressure of the pressing chamber, there is a great friction between the embryo and the pressing screw and the pressing chamber, so that the oil is subjected to great pressure. The distance between the pressing screw gradually becomes smaller in this case. The pressing screw and the relative movement of the material in the pressing chamber, the friction between the oil itself and the oil end, the pressing chamber, and the heat generated by the heating of the oil press make the proteins in the oil thermal denaturation, destroy the colloid, increase the plasticity, but also reduce the viscosity, easy to flow out of the oil, and gradually the oil will flow out along the oil press bar row gap. Before starting, carry out a check. The fasteners should not be loose. The handle rotates flexibly. The belt pulley is rotated by hand. The running parts should be normal. There should be no abnormal sound. And then fill 30 #tag oil in the reducer. Loosen the locking nut and turn the adjusting screw counterclockwise. The adjusting handle turns counterclockwise to narrow the pie gap, and the adjusting handle turns clockwise to widen the pie gap, so that the cone of the squeezing screw is tight against the cone of the pie ring, and then turn a ring. And then turn the adjusting screw clockwise, turn out 3 to 5 turns, and then tighten the nut to prepare for startup.